Want to create stunning AI art in just seconds? Are you ready to unlock the AI art portal of your dreams? Welcome to the ultimate guide to setting up MidJourney, where we turn words into wonders. Whether you want cyber unicorns, neon dreamscapes, or a squad of pastel rainbow aliens, I've got you. So grab your sparkliest notebook and let's dive in. What is MidJourney? MidJourney is basically an intergalactic art genie, but instead of rubbing a lamp, you type some words and boom. Instant visual magic, straight from your imagination into reality. But first, let's get you set up. Step 1. Join the MidJourney dimension, aka Discord. Head over to discord.com and create an account. Think of it like setting up your VIP pass to the AI metaverse. Next, go to midjourney.com and click Join the Beta. Boom! You're officially part of the MidJourney Secret Society. Not really secret, but it sounds cooler, right? Inside, you'll see a lot of channels, but hold that thought. We need to unlock the magic wand first. Step 2. Pick your potion, subscription plan. To actually summon AI art, you'll need a subscription, which, to be honest, is totally worth it. Go to midjourney.com/account, choose your level of wizardry, and connect it to Discord to get powered up. Why subscribe to MidJourney? Alright, let's talk more about MidJourney subscriptions because, yes, you do need a paid plan to start creating magic. But trust me, it's what you need if you're serious about AI-powered creativity. A subscription plan gives you unlimited creative power, generate stunning AI images instantly, higher quality and control. Paid plans allow better resolution, more details, and faster speeds. Commercial rights. If you're an artist, brand, or content creator, you can actually use and sell your AI-generated artwork on the higher tier plans. Stealth mode. Keep your creations private, so no one steals your prompts and ideas. Higher priority. Get faster image generations and avoid waiting times. MidJourney offers 4 tiers, each with different perks. Let's break it down. Basic plan, $10 per month. Perfect for casual users who want to test the waters. What you get, 200 image generations per month. Fast mode, but limited. Standard quality images. Best for hobbyists, first-time users, and anyone just exploring AI art. Standard plan, $30 per month. The most popular plan, perfect for creative minds who want to generate art regularly. What you get, unlimited relaxed mode generation. 15 hours of fast mode per month. Higher quality images. Commercial use rights. Best for artists, content creators, and anyone who wants to experiment a lot with AI art. Pro plan, $60 per month. For the AI art power users who want full control and stealth mode. What you get, unlimited relaxed generations. 30 hours of fast mode per month. Stealth mode, keep your art private. Commercial rights. Best for digital artists, designers, entrepreneurs, and brands creating AI-based products. Mega plan, $120 per month for hardcore AI artists and businesses. For the elite creators who need massive AI power. What you get, 60 plus hours of fast mode per month. All the perks of Pro, even faster queue priority. Best for high-volume AI artists, NFT creators, agencies, and anyone who wants lightning speed generations. So which plan should you choose? Just experimenting? Basic plan, $10. Casual creator but want unlimited relaxed mode? Standard plan, $30. Want privacy and faster processing? Pro plan, $60. Using AI for business or large-scale art? Mega plan, $120. If you're a digital artist, storyteller, entrepreneur, or content creator, then yes, MidJourney is like having an infinite art studio in your pocket. It saves time, money, and creative burnout while unlocking insane artistic potential. Imagine this: fashion designers crafting surreal campaign visuals, interior designers creating dreamy room concepts, Shopify or Etsy shop owners designing AI-generated art prints, social media creators making viral AI content, authors and storytellers visualizing their fictional worlds. So if you want limitless creativity at your fingertips, subscribe and start creating AI magic today. All right, bestie. Now that we covered the setup, let's dive into step 3. Cast your first AI spell, aka make art. Now for the fun part. In Discord, go to a newbie channel or slide into the MidJourney bot's DMs. Yes, we're getting personal with AI. Type /imagine and then describe your dream vision. Let's say you want a pink holographic unicorn floating in a cosmic candy land. a glamorous rainbow octopus dripping in iridescent slime, a magical AI oracle card deck with celestial holograms. Type it in, hit enter, and let the AI do its thing. A few seconds later, bam, you get 4 images. Now, what do these buttons mean? U1 to U4 means upscale, make it bigger and sparklier. V1 to V4 means variations, get different versions of your idea. Reroll means start over if you want something even more extra. Click U1 to upscale your favorite image, and boom, it's ready to download and flex on Instagram. Step 4. Unlock the secret codes, advanced settings. Now that you're a full-on AI sorcerer, let's take it up a notch. In your prompt ad ratio, AR16:9 for epic widescreen vibes. Use Q2 for extra crisp, high-def magic, or type. No boring stuff to keep it aesthetic. The more extra you go, the better the results. Now that you're officially an AI alchemist, it's time to create, explore, and level up your imagination. What's the first magical AI image you're going to create? Share your magic with me on Instagram at @AngelinaMilajki with #UnleashYourCreativeSuperpower. I would love to see your imagination come to life.